Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about Geography, Unit 3, Atmosphere. In this lesson, we are going to study about composition and structure of atmosphere and factors influencing weather and climate and classification of clouds and wind and also the rainfall. Introduction. We are living in a unique planet which is called Earth. Earth is a only planet which provides suitable atmosphere for every life existence. The blanket of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. It is nearer to the earth by gravitational attraction. Composition of the atmosphere. Atmosphere is the mixture of gases, water vapor and dust particles in different proportions. Permanent gases of atmosphere are nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen consists totally 78% of gases. At the same time, oxygen consists only 21% of gases. The remaining 1% of gases are consist of argon, carbon dioxide, neon, helium, ozone, hydrogen. Water vapor, which is found in the atmosphere, but it plays an important role in predicting weather condition. Here, the oxygen played a vital role for living organism. Ozone, which is help save the earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation. Structure of atmosphere. The atmosphere is the thick layer nearer the earth's surface and thin layer out up to it finally merges with space. There are 5 atmosphere layers. They are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. Troposphere. The lowest layer of atmosphere is the troposphere. The layer extends up to 8 km to 18 km at the equator. In this layer, the temperature decreases with increase the height. This layer also known as weather making layer. Stratosphere. Stratosphere lies above the troposphere. It extends to a height of 50 km above the earth. The temperature increases with increases in height in this layer. This layer also known as ozonosphere. Mesosphere. It is the third layer. It extends from 15 km to 80 km. Radio waves transfer from earth are reflected back to earth from this layer. In this layer also the temperature increases with increasing height. Most of the meteors, which refers falling stars, nearing the earth get burned in this layer. Thermosphere. Thermosphere exists above the mesosphere. It extends about 600 km. Here also the temperature increases with increasing height. The upper portion of the thermosphere is known as aerosphere and the lower portion is known as homosphere. Exosphere. The uppermost layer of the atmosphere is known as exosphere. This layer is extremely rare with gases and slowly merges with outer space. Weather and climate. Weather and climate are the related to atmosphere condition. Weather indicate the way of atmosphere act of every day. At the same time, the climate make known the average of weather condition over relatively long period of time. The factors influencing weather and climate, they are distance from the equator, altitude, nearness to the sea, nature of the prevailing wind, mountain barrier, cloud cover, ocean current, natural vegetation. Before we are going to study about the factors influencing weather and climate, we must learn about the differentiate between the weather and climate. Weather is the study of atmospheric condition for a short period of time of small area. At the same time, climate is the study of average weather condition over a long period of time for a larger area. Weather changes very often, even hour to hour and day to day it changes. But climate is more or less permanent and remains the same always. Study of weather is known as meteorology. Study of climate is known as climatology. Next we will move to normal lapse rate. What is normal lapse rate? The temperature decreases at the rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer of height, known as normal lapse rate. Now we are going to study about factors influencing weather and climate. First one, distance from the equator. The sun rays fall vertically over the equator and it slightly horizontal towards polar region due to its spherical nature. Here the spherical refers shaped like a sphere. The vertical rays of sun heat up the earth more than the horizontal rays. Next one, altitude. Altitude refers to the height above sea level. So the places at the higher altitude have a lower temperature. Next, nearness to the sea. The climate of places differ according to nearness to the sea. So, nearer the coastal area get cool compared to the interior part of the place. This is because of coast experience stable climate due to the influence of wind from the sea. Next, nature of the prevailing wind. The wind changes the climate from one place to another place. That is mainly based on where they blow. If suppose the wind blows from a warm region, it makes the place warm. If suppose it blows onshore, which refers near the sea area, it causes rainfall. If suppose the wind blows offshore area, it causes dry weather. Next, mountain barriers. The location of mountain played an important role of climate of place. Sometimes mountain prevent the entry of cold wind into the country, so it make escape of monsoon winds also. Clouds cover. Clouds save us by reflecting the huge amount of harmful radiation heat from the sun, and that's why the area with the lesser clouds like desert are very high in temperature. Ocean current. It refers continuous movement of seawater. The warmer ocean current rise the atmospheric temperature in the coastal area. The same time, cold ocean current lower the atmosphere temperature in the coastal area. Natural vegetation. When the trees loses its water in the form of vapor, that makes the atmosphere cool, so that forest area having lower range of temperature always. Okay, thank you students. The next video will be uploaded soon.